Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on natural gas. So I'm still looking at NGG 2018, and I will switch over to the next futures contract, NGH 2018, once we see volume switch in terms of being more significant comparatively. So here on the, let's start on the weekly chart. We have a very solid bounce coming from just about oversold conditions, close on the weekly, and we got there on the daily. But we're nowhere near changing, well, I shouldn't say we're nowhere near, but we're not changing the trend right now until we see a break. The key level that stands out for me is right up here at 3446. That's the highest price that we have hit since back in May, and that will be significant if we break that pattern, or if we break that high, we will break the lower high pattern. That being said, we are seeing a significant bounce, and we may need to have to see higher lows before we break that higher high pattern. So the daily chart is going to give us an indication of whether that's going to be the case or not, because if we lose this daily higher low pattern where every consolidation low is a higher low, if that pattern is lost, we will look for this weekly chart to consolidate before attempting to change this trend. So support is 307 and 3039 for the bulls to try and maintain full control. We look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly the bulls still have a higher low pattern, and we could even pick another support here at 313.3, and we'll see how we head into next week with the open Sunday night. But as of right now, the bulls still have full control. It would require a loss of 307 support before we see anything bearish. Resistance is 3288, and then I'm looking at 332, I should say. So looking at UNG on the daily time frame, we have the bulls still in that higher low pattern, this long lower wick, support of 2436 and 2411. As long as 2436 holds, the bulls maintain full control. 2532 and 2581 are the two resistances to be watching on Monday. So here again, the weekly chart, we have gotten over this middle Bollinger Band resistance a couple times. We have not closed above it 2 weeks in a row, which we just did. So that's worth noting. The last time we did that was back at the end of 2016. So again, we're looking to keep this middle Bollinger Band, establish a base of support, and then start forming higher lows and higher highs. Very clearly, still a lower high pattern on this weekly chart with the most clear level, 2652, that the bulls have to break this lower high pattern. So where we stand, the bulls have some nice momentum. They have to hold the daily higher low pattern in their favor to try and break this trend on the weekly for the longer term bulls to show up. If we reject on the daily before this weekly chart makes any resistance breaks, we are going to look for a higher low to form, and it'll be up for the bulls to then recover and break the lower high pattern from there. So we should know within the first couple of days next week whether or not this daily higher low pattern is lost. We'll check back in the near term future. See you soon.